Is your 2013 Subaru Outback squeaking like this? I'm going to show you how to change the belt on this thing. Go ahead and turn it off. Let's get started. Get my cameraman here. What you're going to need for this project is a couple simple things. We need a 10mm socket, a 15mm socket, and a new Serpentine belt. I got this one at AutoZone for 45 bucks. So here we go. Here's how you do the whole thing. First, we need to use our 10mm socket and loosen this up. We're going to take off this top shield. Once you get the screw off, the shield itself is held on just by a little nub right here. So you just lift up and it'll come off of this little nub that goes right there. So that's that part. Next, you're just going to take your 15mm socket and you're going to put it on Tighten. You're going to go right down here to this. This is where the tensioner is. So I'm just going to put my 15mm on there and I'm going to push down real hard. And you'll see that that'll move. Now what's going to happen is I can pull this belt off, and that's what we're going to do. As soon as I get it loose, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that and just follow the belt back. Got to wedge it in between here. There we go. All right, now we're going to take our new belt and we're just going to follow it. So I would start on the right hand side here because you want to end here. This is the difficult part. So I'm just going to make sure that I line up all the grooves. Let's put it right into the groove there. And then we're going to just chase it right back around. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to go around the bottom. I'm going to reach in here and make sure that it goes around the bottom into the grooves. We're in the grooves. Now I'm going to come up over this one, up over this little wheel right here, and back down under it. And I'm going to go around the big one in the middle. Make sure I get in the grooves. You have to push on that one a little bit harder because it's got to get past this plate and into those grooves right there. I'm going to come back up around here, around this top one. Oh, I see. Got it. All right. So here's what I did wrong. It's got to go under here first and then around here. That's all. Now we're good. Game on. Now pull it up around this bottom. That's what we need. We need it to go around the tensioner backwards like that. See? And now our final thing here we got to do is slip it up over this. So I just fixed that. I had gone over that the wrong way. But now we're good. This is good. So now we just grab this again. Get our tensioner. Push down on it good and hard. And it'll stop when it's done being pushed on. And you're just going to work that up over the top there, under the bottom. And you get a better grip on that. There we go. It's going to take some pressure. And if you don't have enough force to make this go, you could take a like a tire iron jack and put on the end of it or something so you can give yourself more torque. I'm going to rough it though, because I think I can get it. There we go. And now it's all the way on. We double check and make sure everything is on properly.
Speaking of check, check.
Right here, we got it going around. We got it going around. Don't do it the first way I did that. That was an accident. It's on the groove here just like it belongs. It's on the groove here, and everything looks right. Go ahead and restart it, and let's see if we have that noise anymore. That should be it. Nice and quiet. Go ahead and turn it off. Our final steps here then is just to put this thing back on here. Just push down the button. And then, here you go. Push that down onto the button. Set that in there. Tighten this down. And there you go. A 6-minute fix for your serpentine belt. Now, if you're still getting squeak after that, it might not be just the belt. It might be that you need to put a new tensioner on. So in this case, we got lucky and it was just the belt that needed to be changed. All right, good luck.